Next up, I just wanted to show you a cool element that you can use in your websites that I think is quite fun. Basically, you can create something called an iframe. What this does is it allows you to create a window in your website that you can use to show off other websites. So it's better that I just show it to you rather than explain. So all I have to do is use the tag iframe, and it comes up with this: source, width and height. So for the source, we're going to use our good old friend Ecosia, and then let's give that a shot, see what happens. So basically I've said this is the iframe. I don't need to put anything in here in between the opening and closing tags. I've just put the source is that website. So let's take a look. And there you go, you can see that we now have the Ecosia website in this nice little box. Now let's try, it looks a bit small, so let's go for 200 pixels by 200. So that's still looking a bit small, so how about we go for something much bigger? Let's go for 2000. And there you go, see? We have a much larger version of the site in a large iframe. So that's very big, so it doesn't need to be that big at all. But you can also use this to create frames for YouTube, for example. So if we head over to YouTube, I can then, for example, search one of my favorite musicians, Debussy. I go onto one of his videos, and YouTube, very helpfully, if I go to share, select embed, then look at that, it actually gives me HTML already. So it gives me the exact HTML I need to make this look good. So instead of this here, as you can see, it's a bit long. And I also don't want the body tag to be at the back here, so I'm just going to press enter here. Save this. And then you'll be able to see in our iframe.html now, yay, we have our YouTube video already embedded. How good is that, hey? So that's iframes. So just to summarize what we were talking about here, if you use the iframe tag, you can select the width and the height, and that's in pixels, and you can choose the source. So that's basically the website that you want it to redirect to. On YouTube, they make it a bit easier, and they give you everything that you need to add in to make it look nice and to work properly. So that's iframes. Have a go, try and embed a video into one of your web pages, and also just try and embed a website that might be a bit easier as well. So give those a go, and then I'll see you in the next lecture.